Hi guys, it's Tabitha. Today I'm giving you a look at this Chalkola 10 marker set. This is the 6mm reversible nib chalk markers. I absolutely love their brand. I love all of their chalk markers and I use them at least a few times a year to create things like little chalkboards for my son's birthdays. So I really love these and I have had lots of experience with them. I'm going to show you the process of getting them going and just what the colors look like. This is a 10 count set like I mentioned before, so here's a look at the colors you're going to get. Pretty classic and standard, but you also get a gold and silver, which is a lot of fun. So to get these working, you are simply going to grab the marker you want, give it a little shake, and then take off the cap. You'll see that the tip is white. You can either keep it on the rounded tip like this, or you can pull it out and switch it to the angled tip depending on the design that you're wanting to use. You're just going to give that a shake and then you're going to turn this upside down on either your writing surface or sometimes I use a paper plate, and you're just going to pump it until you start seeing that color fill in the tip. And then it's ready to be used. They are incredibly simple to use. They will be wet at first, but dry down. And once they dry, you can touch it and it's not going to go anywhere. This entire board is done with the Chalkola markers in different sizes. So I really love them. You can see how vibrant the colors turn out. They are really beautiful. And I have used them for many years for little chalkboard designs, but you can use these on multiple surfaces. So whether it's chalkboards, acrylic, glass, you name it, other non-porous surfaces, or you can use these as regular paint markers on porous surfaces and they just won't be able to be removed. So these are a wonderful choice, whether it's for yourself or to gift someone so they can get creative. I really love them and I think that you guys would as well.